Hello and what's up friends, today I am going to show you how to unboxing the GoPro Hero 7 Black. The purpose of this video is to guide new user, people who have never used a GoPro. So this video we are going to talk about mounting the GoPro, what kind of memory you should use for it, turning it on for the first time, setting it up. So on the right side of the box there is some little symbols of all the accessories. So it all accessories are compatible with all existing GoPro mounts and accessories such as the battery charger, all the gear of the Hero 5 Black, Hero 6 Black is 100% compatible with the Hero 7 Black. So this is an added advantage. Now just before we get started, you can see some of the key features here and pretty well the same as its previous version, except now the GoPro Hero 7 Black does HDR photos. It has a new stabilization mode called Hyper Smooth and it does live streaming. So the first thing I want to mention here is about opening the package. So please listen carefully, and I see it over and over again when people get it, they just kind of rip the cardboard off the side here. I encourage you to not to do that, because if you decide to upgrade to a new GoPro in the next year or the year after it, it's good to keep the original box for the GoPro in good shape because it does help with resale value. So to open the box, there is a security seal at the bottom, so you can go ahead and rip that off just like that. So we are just gonna open the flaps, and now we're going to notice that the whole camera slides out in a one piece with the camera still attached here. So here's the camera. Now the camera is mounted on this plate. First thing we are gonna do is dismount the camera, and we do so by lifting up this rubber flap at the back here. So there is two little fingers, we are going to press them in and we are just going to push forward. As you can see, it will come right off. So now we are going to remove the thumb screw, and you will notice this plastic piece. This is just included for shipping purpose to prevent the camera from tipping over when it is being shipped. Now we will going to remove the buckle mount. Now we are left with the camera. This is the camera. So right now the camera is mounted in a frame, and the frame is basically how you mount it to different devices. So let's go ahead and we will take the camera out of the frame. So to remove it, we are going to pull on this tab up here where the little arrow is, and you do have to use a fair amount of force and pull it back just like that, and then open the back door. From there we can just push out from the front and remove the camera. So we have to remove the back silicone sticker. There you can see the marking for the Hero's own black, a bit different now. They have got the large 7 with a black both on the frame and on the camera itself. So now look at some accessories we are getting with this GoPro Hero 7 Black inside the box. So let's finish opening up our package. The first thing we are going to see is some user guide, safety guide, and some stickers, and inside there we have the GoPro battery. We are going to have USB-C type cable. This is for the data transfer and for charging purpose. So we are going to have two sticky mounts. One is curve and one is a flat, and that's all that comes with it. So here's the everything that came in the box. We have the camera, frame, buckle mount, thumb screw, data cable, two mounts and the battery. So these are the only mounts that come with a GoPro. As to mounting, there are several different ways to do it. This bottom part are how you are going to be connecting to your GoPro to different devices and accessories, and they are stick on mounts. You will notice that one has a curved surface and one has a flat surface. So curved surface and one has a flat surface. The curved surface one is for sticking to things like a helmet and anything with a slight curve. The flat surface like a surfboard or anything with flat surface. So at this point we are now going to set up our GoPro. Now there is two things that we need to do before we should continue. First thing is getting the battery installed and charged up, and the next is putting some memory in the GoPro. So now we are going to insert the memory and the battery for the first time. They are located under this door here at the bottom. To open it up, we are just going to press on this button and slide to the side. So insert the battery. We are going to have the logo face in the front of the camera and it's just gonna press down. Now we are going to insert the memory. So you can see the memory card is in front of the battery. This time we are going to have metal side of memory card facing the front of the camera and just slide in and shut the door. So make sure you hear that click when you shut it. So the GoPro Hero 7 Black is a waterproof action camera up to 10 meters 33 feet, and so you can go into the water. So now to charge up the battery that we just installed, we are going to take the cable that came with the GoPro. Now to charge up the battery that we just installed, we are going to take the cable that came with the GoPro. So when we look at the cable, this is a traditional USB plug and this is a USB-C plug. USB-C we are going to plugging into the GoPro. So the charging port is now this side of the camera and it's under this door here. To access the port, we are going to press down the button and slide the door frontwards and then open. So inside there you will see two ports. We have an HDMI port and then we have the USB, and that's how we charge it, and also for data transfer. So we will plug the USB-C type into that end and another end into a USB port on your computer or laptop, and you can also charge with any USB adapter. So you will know your GoPro is charging when this red light comes on. One there is on front, there is one at the bottom and one at the back. So when the GoPro is fully charged, those lights will turn off. So now we will look at some buttons on this GoPro 7. So we have a shutter button at the top. That's how we take photos and videos. At the side we have a power button and mode button. That's how we are going to turn the GoPro on. At the back we have our LCD screen, and at the front we have a secondary LCD screen. So it just displays various information about battery level, how long we have been recording for, and different things. Now we power on a brand new GoPro. It is going to ask us a few questions. So long press the power button for 2 or 3 seconds. We will hear a beep and then the screen will turn on. So friends, that's it. The new GoPro Hero 7 Black. Like I said, this is more just an unboxing, and I will be making another video on how to set up a GoPro at very first time and checking out the menu system. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything. The Hero 7 is available for purchase in most of the retail stores online at GoPro, Amazon, and on Flipkart, and I will include the links down. I will also include the links to the memory that I like to use and ones I recommended for the Hero 7 Black. Friends, that's it for my video. Thanks a lot for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, that really helps me grow my channel as well. Don't forget to comment down below what your thoughts are on the Hero 7 Black, and don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.